I would say it's not unusual in a high-profile case. I would say it typically when it's the run-of-the-mill case, the accused's name is available. I mean, it's a public forum in a court-martial process. So I would assume that it's only the unusual case of when they withhold information, like, for example, the accused's name. Well, typically the charges should come quickly, and they need to investigate, so it depends on the case. But, however, if there needs to be a referral of charges within a certain amount of time. But like I said, this is probably this is an unusual case, so they have to get a bunch of information before they can prefer charges. So typically it should happen soon, because once the alleged accused is in pretrial confinement, then the clock starts ticking for speedy trial concerns, and they have to get the accused to arraignment in a certain amount of time. There's a lot of concern because it's a heated environment, it's acrimonious. The advantage that they have is that they have witnesses and they have an immediacy and proximity of the event. Some of the times of the investigations we've had downrange where it's been years since the event happened and we don't have any physical evidence, we don't have any witnesses, and this is different in this case. When I personally was stationed overseas, if there was ever a crime allegedly committed by a service member, jurisdiction would be retained with the military. And there's a lot of policy reasons for that, and there's a lot of, but I'm sure, like I said, there's a lot of international concern here, there's going to be pressure, but I would be very skeptical, me personally, that jurisdiction would go with the Afghans.